Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to create your very own ant farm, where you can observe these fascinating creatures up close. It's a fun and educational project that anyone can do at home. Let's get started. Creating an ant farm, also known as an ant habitat or formicarium, can be a fascinating project that allows you to observe the behavior of ants up close. Here's a step-by-step guide to making your own ant farm. Materials needed. 1. Glass or acrylic container. This will serve as the main structure of your ant farm. It should be transparent to allow for easy observation. You can use a fish tank, a glass jar, or any clear plastic container with a lid. Sand or soil. You'll need a substrate for the ants to dig and tunnel in. You can use either fine sand or potting soil. Make sure it's clean and free from any pesticides or chemicals that could harm the ants. 3. Gravel or small rocks. These will provide drainage at the bottom of the container to prevent waterlogging. 4. Ants. You can either collect ants from your yard or purchase them from a reputable supplier. Make sure they are a species that is safe and suitable for keeping in captivity. 5. Food and water. Ants need food and water to survive. You can provide them with sugar water or honey as a carbohydrate source, and small pieces of fruit or insects as protein. 6. Cotton or sponge. This will be used to provide a source of water for the ants. It should be damp but not soaking wet. 7. Decorations, optional. You can add rocks, sticks, or other decorations to make the ant farm more visually appealing. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Prepare the container. Clean the container thoroughly with soap and water to remove any dirt or residue. If your container has a lid, make sure it has ventilation holes to allow air circulation. Place a layer of gravel or small rocks at the bottom of the container to provide drainage. 2. Add substrate. Pour a layer of sand or soil on top of the gravel. The depth of the substrate should be at least a few inches to allow the ants room to dig and tunnel. 3. Introduce the ants. Carefully introduce the ants into the container. If you collected them from outside, gently scoop them up with a small shovel or spoon. If you purchased ants, follow the instructions provided by the supplier for introducing them to their new habitat. 4. Provide food and water. Place small dishes or containers inside the ant farm for food and water. Fill one dish with sugar water or honey for carbohydrates and another with small pieces of fruit or insects for protein. Place a damp cotton ball or sponge in the container to provide a source of water for the ants. Make sure it stays damp but not soaking wet. 5. Decorate. Add decorations such as rocks, sticks, or artificial plants to make the ant farm more interesting to look at. Make sure they are clean and won't harm the ants. 6. Observe and maintain. Place the ant farm in a location where it will receive indirect sunlight and where you can easily observe it. Check the food and water dishes regularly and replenish them as needed. Keep the substrate slightly moist but not too wet, as ants prefer a dry environment for digging and tunneling. Observe the ants regularly and take note of their behavior. You may need to make adjustments to the habitat based on their needs. Additional tips. Always wash your hands thoroughly after handling ants or their habitat to prevent contamination. Avoid disturbing the ants unnecessarily, as this can cause stress and disrupt their natural behavior. Research the specific needs and behaviors of the species of ants you are keeping to ensure you provide them with a suitable habitat. Enjoy observing your ants and learning more about their fascinating world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun DIY projects. See you next time. Goodbye.